Morning. Today we're going to do a little enrichment. It's Wednesday, and I'm going to apply this to all classes every week, even though we have a blue and a green week here face-to-face, and I only see you once every other week, or possibly sometimes I may not see you for a couple weeks. I want everyone to be involved in this. I started this a couple years ago as an enrichment thing to help us, and this kind of goes along with what we've been doing the first day, talking about graph theory. This is a graph, obviously. It has vertices and it has edges. But this is a game. It's called Codemaster. Give me a second. I'll show you. It's an actual game that you can purchase. It's made by Think Fun. Let me make sure it's upside right. Called Codemaster. Okay, you see it in the little thing. I'll make this a little bigger, so there you go. Codemaster. Okay, I don't know if you're going to be able to read it or not, but you get the idea. So anyway, this is actually a part of the game. It's little maps and stuff that you have to create. And the deal is you have a robot, starts at one of these points and has to get to another point. And along the way, it has to follow a very specific path. And sometimes it has to pick up crystals, or when you get to the destination, there's a portal there that will not open if you don't have those crystals. So in this particular puzzle, it says we are starting the robot at 5. That's right here, okay? And we're going to start from 5, and we'll go to 3, which is all the way over here, and we can only take paths. We can take 2 red paths and 2 green paths, but we cannot take any blue paths. So that's the first one. What we need you to do, you're gonna actually get a copy of this here. You'll describe the path. You'll start at 5, and then you'll tell me which one you go to next. And then you tell me which path you're going to take. Obviously, there's only going to be one path. Unless there's more than one path to go to the same vertex. If that's the case, you tell me which colored pathway you're going to take. And if it's a color that you don't have, and the other one is a color you have, it's going to be obvious which one you take. Anyway, the point is, you're going to need to solve these puzzles. This is the first one, and this is for day 1. These are all for day 1. You can work on them all. I will post this. What you need to do is download your own copy. When I set this up for an assignment, there should be 10 of these for day 1, okay? And we'll see how that works out for you. Get as many of them done as possible. It's just going to help you. You just need to cognitively think. It's a thinking, problem-solving deal, and it's going to help you in this class. So anyway, go ahead and take a look at it. When you start the assignment, this is for fun, but I may go back and use this for extra credit, so it would be in your best interest to try to do as many of these as possible. So go ahead and download this particular thing in there. This is just a video of it, but download this AQR Enrichment Codemaster Day 1. Try to solve as many as possible. And by the end of the day, I will only accept submissions on Wednesday. That's today. By the end of the day, if you're green week, you'll be next week when you get this face-to-face. So everybody, let's just say it's going to be due next Wednesday afternoon, or the following Wednesday, 2 Wednesdays from now. Let me look at the calendar. It looks like we're in blue week this week. Blue week. Next week we're in green week. So it will not be a Labor Day week. Let's just say it's going to be due September 4th, Friday, September 4th. That gives everybody ample time. Since everybody's getting this now, even if you are in green week and I won't talk to you about it in person until then, if you watch this video, you should have enough information. Remember, you're going to be starting at one node, following this path of colors to this node. Start in the portal is where you're going. And then along the way, you may have to pick up crystals. As you can see, in the second one, there are also no crystals. The map is different, or the graph is different. But in the third one, you have to pick up crystals. And notice they're at specific nodes. You're going to start at 4, end at 0, but you got to pick up a crystal at 1 and a crystal at 5. And you can only take a red, green, and 2 blue pathways. All right, so y'all enjoy this. You can make comments when you do your post. Tell me how you like it. I've been doing this for a couple years, and everyone seems to enjoy this puzzle. So have fun, y'all. Take care. Be blessed. Be a blessing. Peace out.